Hello all, I am Dr. Ravas Sanjanbal. In today's class, we'll construct a new type of DFA. Okay. The DFA construction is, okay, write the question. Design a DFA that accepts all strings that accepts all strings start with 1 1. Okay, over the input alphabet 0, 1. Okay. Now we'll follow the previous rules for DFA. First, identify the minimum string. The minimum string is here 1 1. The minimum string is here 1 1. The second thing, then we'll identify the number of states. For the number of states for start with any string means the number of states is always what 2 plus 2 means if you have the minimum string, the minimum length string is here 2, minimum length string plus 2, minimum length string is here 2 plus 2 means 4 number of states will be equal. So we can also note down that is valid for start. That is valid for start with any symbol. Start with any symbol or any substring or any string, we can say like this. Okay. If a string of length is n, then the total number of states equal to n plus 2. Then the total number of states equal to n plus 2. Hence it's valid for only starting. Valid here means the string will start with 1 1. Okay. What is the question is here? The question is design a DFA that accepts all strings start with 1 1. Okay. Now we'll design the total 4 number of states. Now this is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. Okay, so Q2 is my final state, Q1 is my initial state. Okay, later I'll tell you the another one state. Now I just draw the 3 states. Okay, simply follow the rule. Third step is draw the transition for minimum length string. Here minimum length string is 1 1. Here minimum length string is 1 1. The minimum length string is 1 1. What is the fourth step? The fourth step is adjust other transitions according to DFA rule. What is the DFA rule? Each and every state on every input exactly one transition should exist. That is the DFA rule. So I have here the input alphabet is total number input alphabet 0. There are 2 input alphabets. Input alphabets are like 0 and 1. Okay, Q0 already reads 1. 1. Now Q0 will read 0. Now the Q0 will read 0. Remember, design a DFA that will start with 1 1. Start with 1 1 means every string must start with 1 1. And this is a valid string. Suppose 1 1 0, it is a valid string. If it is 1 0 1, this string does not start with 0, sorry, does not start with 1 1. So it is an invalid string. Suppose 1 1 0 1, yes, this string starts with 1 1. So it is a valid string. 0 1 0 1, this string starts with 0 1. So it is an invalid string. Okay. So every string must start with 1 1. If it will be start with 0, if the string starts with 0, that means it is an invalid string. So that's why we will require one more state. This is called dead state. That is called QD. This state is called dead state. QD. QD means this is called dead state. What is the meaning of dead state? The dead state is a non-final state. Dead state is a non-final state. Dead state is a non-final state which having self loops, on all inputs, which having self loops on all inputs. Here Q0, if 0 will come, that will go to dead state. If 0 will come, that will go to dead state. Okay. So dead state is a non-final state which having self loops on all inputs. I have here input alphabet equal to 0 1. There are two input alphabets. So dead state QD is a dead state which having self loop on all inputs. That is called as dead state. Okay. So Q1. Okay. Now Q0 adjust means Q0 reads 0 and 1. If Q1 already reads 1, now 0 will come. Okay. Since every string must start with 2 1s. Here, if I'll take 0 is here, so the string may generate 1 0 1. The DFA may generate 1 0 1 types of string. So, but it is an invalid string. So if it is 0 will come, that will also go to dead state. Okay. Now Q2. Now for Q2. Since, okay, see here, every string must start with 2 number of 1s, means first one, second one. After that you can take any number of zeros and any number of 1s. It may 0 like this, or start with 1 1. It may take more number of 1s, or may take any combination of zeros 1 0 1 or 1 0 like this. So that's why I'll keep 0 and 1 on the final state. I'll keep 0 and 1 on the final state. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment box. Okay. You will clear more about on the next question. Okay. The next question is, start with AB. Start with AB over the input alphabet A, comma B. Okay. Since the minimum length string is 2, the total number of states are here. States are minimum length string is 2 plus 2 means 4 states will be required. So that is Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Then one state is called, this is called QD, means dead state. This is called dead state. Here Q0 is the initial state. Start with AB. Just simply draw the minimum length transition AB. Okay. Every string must start with AB. Every string must start with AB. Okay. So if it will start with B, that go to dead state. So dead state is a non-final state which having self loops on all inputs. Okay. Q1 already reads B. If it will start with A, then goes to dead state. Then goes to dead state. And I can keep any number of A's and any number of B's on the final state, because every state must start with AB. Any number of A's and any number of B's can come on the after AB. After AB means, suppose here you can see the string starts with AB. AB, you can see any number of A's. Any number of A's can come here. AB starts with AB. Any number of B's. Any number of B's can come here. Any combination of AB like this, BA, PA like this can come here. Okay. Hope all of you understand. Now we'll see one more example on start with some string. The next question. The next question. Start with ABA over the input alphabet A comma B. Okay. Here the total. Okay. Now identify the total number of states. The total number of states equals to the minimum length string is here 3 plus 2, means total number of states equal to 5. Okay. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. Is my final state. Okay. Then QD is my dead state, which having self loop on all inputs. Okay. Now simply draw the minimum length string A, B. This is A. This is A. Oh, sorry, a B. This is B. Okay. A string must start with ABA. String must start with ABA. After that, after ABA, any number of A's and any number of B's may come. Any number of A's and any number of B's may come. So if it will start with B, if the first number, if the first alphabet start with B, that will be go to dead state, hence B. Okay. Okay. If the second alphabet must start with B, if the second alphabet start with A, goes to dead state. The third alphabet must be A. If it will be start with B, goes to dead state. Okay. The final state contains A and B. Final state is a self loop of A and B, because any number of A's and any number of B's may come after ABA. Means ABA, it may come many number of A's, any number of A's. ABA may come any number of B's like this. ABA, it may come any combination of AB like this, or ABA, it comes any number of BA, any combination of BA like this. Okay, hope all of you understand this question. Okay, now we'll construct one more example. Next question, start with AB over the input alphabet A comma B. Okay, since now identify the total number of states. The total number of states are equal to, here the minimum length string equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now we'll draw Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Q4 is my final state, Q0 is my initial state, then this is called dead state QD, and it has self loops on all input. Okay, draw the minimum length string. Simply draw the minimum length string A, B, A, B. Okay, so every string must start with A, B, A, B. After that, any number of A's and any number of B's may come, or any combination of A, B or B, A may come. Okay, the first alphabet must be A. If B will come, that will go to dead state. If B will come, that will go to dead state. The second alphabet must be B. If A will come, that will go to dead state. The third alphabet must be A. If B will come, that will go to dead state. The fourth alphabet must be B. If A will come, that will go to dead state. Okay, in the final state, there may be any number of A's and any number of B's may come. So that's why it is a loop of A and B. Okay, hope all of you understand. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt on any start with any string means for DFA, you can ask to the comment box. Okay, thanks for watching.